go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? How y'all been? Hope y'all been enjoying the fishing videos. I'm gonna do another review video, or not really review, unboxing, kind of unboxing. I cheated. I opened it last night and charged the battery. Yeah. I mentioned it in the last review of the Weight Eater video. Okay, everybody. This is a Garden Tools 20 volt pole saw, cordless pole saw, 20 volt cordless pole saw by Garden View. I promise you, I get this one right. You can get this one at Amazon, so that's where I got it. I will put a link to it in the description. We'll go from there. It's got instructions. We may have to read these. I'm generally not much on them, but we may have to. Pretty beefy. Alright, that's right, we got to read instructions before I tear stuff up. Nice little bar. It's an Oregon bar. How about that, sports fans? Oregon 91P03X chain. Maybe that's something you can pick up at the local store. We will see. It's even got a bar cover with it. Nice. I'll lose that first day. Alright, we'll be back after I look at the instructions. See what all I need to put it together. Hope it's not much, because I don't have much. Alright, now we got her ready to rock and roll. Go get some oil for it. We'll run this little test with it. I think I got a quart in the house that I bought for the other one I took back. This one right here, a little tricky. When you first put it together, it'll sound like it's clipped, and it hadn't. You gotta push it a little bit harder than I will. You tighten that up right there. That's where it connects. And come back here, right here. Loosen that up. You can shrink her down. Tighten it back up. Then you got it more manageable size. Alright, we're gonna go get some oil and I'll set y'all up and see me cut a limb. How about that? Be back here in just a minute. That's just like I use on my big saw. Not really. Oh, look, it's got a silver tail. Funnel, we don't need no stinking funnel. Oops. Overfill it just like I do on my big saw. I got some paper towel. I'll clean that up. Never get it closed right, just like I do on my big saw. Make cornbread cuss, just like I do on my big saw. Get some paper towel and clean that up. Use some of my hunting toilet paper. Fishing toilet paper. It ought to be well lubricated to start off with. Alright. Hope I've been in frame at some of that point. I don't know. I overfilled the oil just a little bit. I had to clean it up. I always keep a roll of some kind of toilet paper in the truck. And we finna go cut here when y'all come back. Alright, y'all. Let's see how it works. Fairly impressed. I'm not for sure on the price. I think it's like $129 on Amazon. It cuts live stuff pretty quick. I've only got like about 1,400 more trees to do. I'm not gonna bring y'all along for all of that. If y'all want a overtime review, let me know in the comments. I'll get you one. Tell you what I think about it. If I'd buy another one. Quite sure from the first two cuts, yeah. Quite sure I'll have cornbread sharpened in the chain every once in a while because I'm hard on chains. But take your time, it's pretty simple to put together. If I can do it, most anybody can. It's about all I'm good at is catching little fish and setting traps. That's about it. I don't know, I'm pretty good at running chemicals in a chem ad too, but that was my old life. Oh yeah, I run straightening press pretty good too. Old life. Alright. Y'all know what to do if you made it this far in the video. Like, share, subscribe, and we